Assalamualaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines: Prime Minister Imran Khan lays foundation stone of low-cost housing scheme in Sargodha. Prime Minister Imran Khan performed the groundbreaking of a low-cost housing project under the government's ambitious Naya Pakistan housing program in Sargodha. Sindh government issues order to arrest TLP leaders over violation of law. The Sindh Home Department issued order to arrest 3 Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan Karachi leaders over violation of law. Murad Ali Shah writes a letter to PM over Sindh's reservation on census. Sindh Chief Minister in a letter to Prime Minister has expressed the province's reservation over the population census figure. KP issues new SOPs for markets, public places and mosques. The Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Home Department has issued new standard operating procedures to curb the spread of coronavirus pandemic. Saudi students saves elderly Australian neighbor from blaze. A Saudi man reportedly risked his life to rescue his 94-year-old Australian neighbor from a fire that broke out in her home. Pakistan registers highest COVID death toll in a single day since June last year. Pakistan reported 135 deaths from coronavirus, making it the country's highest death toll to the 29th June of last year. This is the end of today's news. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe it, like it, share it and comments on it. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.